Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Prachi and I post makeup related content on my channel. If this is something that you enjoy watching, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon next to it so you will be notified whenever I'll post a new video. Today I'm going to teach you this beautiful look. I've been really wanting to do an all matte look with maroon shades and I'm so happy that I did it because this look came out to be so beautiful and I really hope that you guys like it. If you want to know how to create this look and how to achieve it, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my base makeup on. If you want to know how to do base makeup, then you can check out this video which is popping up on the top left hand side corner. And now we are going straight to the eye makeup. And even though I'm going to wear a red lipstick, I want to do something bolder on the eyes. So today I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed. And I'm taking this eyeshadow here. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it on my crease. And this is going to be my transition shade. I'm also going to take it here in the outer corner like this. Next I'm taking this eyeshadow, it's a really beautiful maroon shade and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes, and to do that I'm going to use this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm taking again that fluffy brush that I used to apply the transition shade on the crease, and this time I'm going to use it to blend the edges of the maroon shade. It has no additional product in it, and I'm going to use it to blend the eyeshadow even better and make sure that there are no harsh edges. I'm using a very light pressure with it. Now I'm going to add one more layer of that maroon eyeshadow to intensify the look, and as you can see I'm keeping it just on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm not taking it any further, and again I'm going to blend out the edges. Next I'm taking this white matte eyeshadow and using the flat eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply it on the inner half of my eyelids, and this is going to give just a little bit more brightness to the look. And I'm going to blend everything out using the fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I'm taking these two shades and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm applying this maroon shade on the outer corner of my lower lash line and I'll blend everything out. I'm not using any shimmery eyeshadow today. I want to keep the eye makeup really matte. It's time for eyeliner and I'll be using this one here by L'Oreal Paris. It's called Profound Black. So now just to finish up the eye makeup, I'm going to use this mascara by Maybelline. Now I'm going to put on my lashes off camera and I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm going on the face and I'm going to contour with BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Using a contour brush, I'm going to lightly contour my cheekbones, jawline and nose as always. For blush, today I'll be using this beautiful shade called Soft Nude by K Beauty. It's a matte blush. I got this from Nykaa during the Hot Pink sale, and as you can see I haven't even unboxed it yet. So let's just do it. Wow, I love the packaging. There's a foam all around the product so as to prevent it from any damage. Oh my god, this blush is so sleek and classy, and let's just see how's the color payoff. This K Beauty blush is just wow. The color payoff is amazing and the texture is so smooth and buttery. It's very pigmented, so you only need to take a small amount of it on the brush and work your way through it. And this shade looks beautiful. I don't know if you all can see the actual shade, but it's really beautiful. My heart. This blush seriously has my heart. I would highly recommend this blush to you guys. They have many other shades to choose from. I love it. And to set my face, I'm going to use this fixing spray from Makeup Revolution. Now using a beauty blender, I'm going to press that in. And for highlighter, I'm using this highlighter palette from Revlon. It gives a very subtle finish and I want to keep it subtle today, not very blinding. I'm going to apply this shade in the inner corner and brow bone and all the high points of my face using a highlighter brush. So now the face is complete as well. It's time for the lips. I'm going to use this lip liner from Wet n Wild in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to line my lips and fill in with the same color. Now for the lipstick, I'm going to use this lipstick here by e.l.f. Cosmetics and the shade is Ruby Woo. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. I think this look is going to be perfect for a nighttime event or something like that. The eyes are pretty dramatic and the lips are really bold, and I just fell in love with this look. I think it came out pretty good. Do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this look because I'm loving it. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.
Missing someone.